Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Garlic butter and potatoes have to be the most mesmerizing combinations ever. I experienced a feeling of awe when I had the taste of these delicious cuties, and I want you all to feel it too. And that's why I'm here to share a special recipe with you all today. It's garlic butter potato balls. This is going to be amazing. So let's get started and check it out. So first we're going to boil the potatoes. Take a nice large pot of water. I've taken about 5 potatoes for this recipe. I've peeled off the skin, cut it into large pieces and gently drop them into the hot water. Boil the potatoes till they are completely cooked. Remove the cooked potato pieces from the pot, strain it and keep it aside. Using a potato masher, I'm just mashing all the potatoes. Just make sure it's nice and soft. If you still feel there are small lumps, you can just use a fork and just mash it like this. To the mashed potatoes, add about 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning and 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. I'm also adding about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is going to help bind the mixture well. So just make sure everything is well combined. So once the mixture is ready, just apply a little bit of oil to your palms. And now we're going to start rolling it into small balls. Take a portion of the mixture and roll it to the desired size. Divide the potato mixture into equal sized balls. Next, take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, maintain the flame on medium-high and gently start dropping the potato balls one by one. Give a gap of about 5 seconds for each ball while adding it into the oil. Otherwise, they tend to stick to each other. Just keep tossing the potato balls around so they get an even color and tone on all sides. And it's also completely cooked through. Deep fry all the potato balls in this manner and keep it aside. So now I'm going to make the garlic butter. To a saucepan, add about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. As soon as the butter melts, turn off the stove and add a few chopped coriander leaves. Now you don't want to heat the butter too long. The garlic butter sauce is ready. Generously pour the garlic butter sauce onto the potato balls and just make sure it's coated well. So there you go, here are these absolutely delicious and incredibly tasty garlic butter potato balls, which are perfect for parties, get-togethers and evening dinners. Just follow all the steps to get it perfectly. I'll give you a couple of links to the other snacks and starter recipes. Do try them out. Garlic butter potato balls. This combination is something you must at least try once. Make sure you serve it nice and hot and you can enjoy it as is, and you also must follow all the steps to get it perfectly. This is something that you can make for parties. It's a great finger food and I'm sure everybody will absolutely love this. Do try the recipes, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.